How to create effective Facebook ads using WriteSonic. Just head over and click on this advertising right here. And then from this one, just head over and then click on this Facebook ads. Now in here, just enter in here your product name. So for this right here, I'll just head over and then put in here a product for bag for women. And then I'll head over and click on next. And then you can put in here the unique feature. Like for example, let's put in here sustainable materials. Now click on next. And then for this case, let's put in here target audience. Let's put in here passion for professionals and as well as eco-conscious women. Now click on next. And then you can put in here call to action. Let's head over and click on this shop now and then click on this generate. And then this will generate you the Facebook ad text that you can actually use. So for this one, just wait for this. And as you can see, we have now in here our title, which is this one, stylish and sustainable, the perfect bag for modern women. Now we have in here the heading as well as the benefits and also this enticing text that can help us with this Facebook ad that we have. So that's how you create effective Facebook ads using WriteSonic. Hope we helped.